So today we're going to discuss on optimal binary search tree. In optimal binary search tree, we have a sample problem, and with use of that problem, we can able to identify how the solutions are framed. So here, before going to the problem, how the calculation is happening in the um, tree, what the tree we are constructing, how the calculation is happening. So there is a small example. With a small example, you will first understand. Then only we can able to understand the optimal binary search tree problem. So here we are having three keys, 10, 20, 30, and the frequency for the keys are 3, 2, and 5. So these are the frequency and these are the keys we are having. So let's see the first example. In the first example, we are having 10 as the root node, 20 as the leaf node, mean by the sub node, and 30 as the leaf node. So here we are just making the node levels, mean by this is the first node, this is the second node, and this is the third node. And we are taking the frequency for 10. The frequency for 10 is 3, that we are multiplying with the position. So 3 into 1 we are doing. Next, we are taking the key for the node 20, that is 2. 2 into 2 we are doing. Next, we are having taking the position for 30. 5 into 3 we are doing. So 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 5 into 3. By multiplying all these things, we have to add it. Then we are getting the value. So 3 into 1, 3. Here we are getting 4. Here we are getting 15. So totally we are getting 22. So adding this all after multiplication, we are getting 22. When you are seeing the second example, 10 becomes the root node, and 30 we are putting in the left subtree, and 20 we are putting in the 30 we are putting in the right subtree, and 20 we are putting in the left subtree. So 10, 30, 20 we are keeping. So 10 is the first node, 30 is the second node, and 20 is the third node. 3, 5, and 2 we are keeping. So 3 into 1, 5 into 2, and 2 into 3 we are keeping. So in this case, the adding and multiplication value we are getting as 19. In the example 3, 20 becomes the root node, and 10 and 30 we are having, that will be become the sub nodes. In this case, 20 is the first node, 10 and 30 will be the second nodes. So the frequency for 20 is 2, and frequency for 10 is 3, and frequency of 30 is 2. So as per the given problem, we are taking the frequencies. These are the frequencies. These are the key values. So when you are substituting the frequency, we are getting the answer as 18. So 2, here 6, here 10. So 6 plus 10 plus 2, we are getting 18. When you are taking this example 4, so here what we are getting, the node 30 is the first node, 10 is the least value, so that we are putting in the left subtree. And next what we are having is 20, that is greater than 10, so that we are putting in the right side. So here the node is 1, here the node is 2, here the node is 3. So 5 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 3 we are doing. So 5 into 1, 5, 3 2s are 6, and here again 2 3s are 6. So here 6 plus 6 plus 5, so we are getting 17. Okay. Next to that, we are going for example 5, the last one. So 30 is the root node, 20 is the sub node, and 10 is the leaf node. In this case, the 30 is the first node, 20 is the second node, and 10 is the third node. And the frequency is said to be 5, 2, and 3. So what we are getting? We are getting 18 as the uh, exact value, because 1 into 5, we are multiplying 5 plus 4 plus 9. So we are getting totally 18 as the answer. Okay. So this what the calculation we are doing with the given graphs. So whenever you are getting a graph, we have to do the calculation like this. So let's enter into the problem statement. So let's see the problem. We are having the key value and the frequency for the given problem. The key value is said to be 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the key values. What is the frequency? 4, 2, 6, and 3. These are the frequencies. And this is said to be the root. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for key value 10 and key value for frequency value 4, the root is 1. For key value 20 and frequency value 2, the root is 2. For key value 30 and frequency value 6, the root is 3. For key value 40 and frequency value 3, the root is 4. So this is what you have to understand as of now. When we are entering to the problem statement, when you are solving the problem, you come to know why we are using this root values. So this is our solution table, what we are seeing here. These values are filled as of now. So we have to fill these values one by one by doing the solution. So we have to take up the values one by one and we have to identify the solution for the diagonal value, and above the diagonal value, what and all the values you are seeing. For all the values, you have to identify the solution. So here I and j value we are having. So here we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we are having. So this is come under x value. These are said to be row value. Column value what we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we are having. These are the column values we are having. So in this case, we have row values and column values. We have row values and column values. So first step 1 what we are doing, j minus I we are taking. J minus I is equal to 0. So j value is 0 and I value is 0. So where and all we are getting 0. We are getting 0, that we have to calculate. When you are applying j value as some value and I value as some value, it results to 0. So in this case, we have different combinations. 0 minus 0 we are getting 0, and 1 minus 1 we are getting 0, 2 minus 2 we are getting 0, 3 minus 3 we are getting 0, and 4 minus 4 we are getting 0. So these 0 values we have to substitute in the diagonal. So 0 0 position is this position, so we are substituting 0. 1 1 is this position, we are substituting 0. 2 2 is this position, the third position we are substituting 0, and 3 3 it will be this position, we are substituting 0, and 4 4 this is the last position, we are substituting 0. Okay, so the entire diagonal we are substituted with 0. Okay, because we identified j minus I is 0. So these are values represents 0 value. So we are filling the 0 values in the table. So it will fill in the diagonal side. Okay, let's move for the next step 2. Step 2 what we have to do? Step 2 we are considering j minus I is equal to 1. So when it is 1, we have to consider only one value. Okay, we have to consider only one value. I will tell you this I value, this particular one we are taking, no, this will be changed for each and every time. So first time we are putting 0, now we are putting 1. Okay, so now which and all the combination will results to 1 we have to identify. So in this given table, what and all values we have to take. So 1 minus 0 will results to 1, 2 minus 1 will results to 1, and 3 minus 2 will results to 1, and 4 minus 3 will results to 1. So this entire diagonal, the second level of diagonal what you are having here, what I filled with 4 2 6 3, no, this diagonal value we have to fill with use of step 1, step 2. Okay, so here as I told, 1 minus 0 we identified 1, 2 minus 1 we are identified 1, 3 minus 2 we identified 1, and 4 minus 3 we identified 1. So this is j value and this is I value. So we have to take I comma j. So I comma j mean by this will come in reverse order. So 0 comma 1, this will be 1 comma 2, and here it will be 2 comma 3, and here it will be 3 comma 4. So these are the values. So C of 0 comma 1, C of 1 comma 2, C of 2 comma 3, C of 3 comma 4 you have to check. So C of 0 comma 1, so first position, second position, third position, fourth position. So the second value you have to take. So this is the first position. So first position in the given problem what we are having, 10 and 4. So only one value you have to take, that we are taking 10 and 4. So 10 is the key value and 4 is the frequency. The second one, 1 comma 2 means second one, that is 20 and 2. So 20 and 2 is the second value that we are taking. When you are going for a third one, 30 and 6 we are having. As per the given problem, we are having 30 and 6. And when we are going for the fourth one, the fourth one is 40 and 3. 40 is the value and 3 is the frequency. 40 and 3 we are having. Okay, that is the last value what you are having in the given problem. Now what we are doing further, this particular values we have to fill it. Keep in mind, when you are taking 4, what is the root? For 4 the root is 1, for 4 the root is 1, for 2 the root is 2, for 6 the root is 3, for 3 the root is 4. That we have to fill it here. So 4 power 1, 2 power 2, 6 power 3, 3 power 4, you have to fill it. I missed in filling this root. Root has to be come in the top place. Okay, like what we put 8 power 1, no, like that you have to put 4 power 1, 2 power 2, 6 power 3, 3 power 4. Okay, next we have to move for the step 3. Let's move for step 3. Step 3, what we are doing, j minus I is equal to 2. So already we checked with j minus I is equal to 0, j minus I is equal to 1. Now we are moving for j minus I is equal to 2. So when you are moving for j minus I is equal to 2, what we are doing, we are checking the combinations. We will get 2 when we are subtracting 2 minus 0, j value is 2 and I value is 0, j value is 3, I value is 1, and j value is 4 and I value is 2. In these combinations we are getting 2 as answer. So while writing in I comma j format, we are getting 0 comma 2, here we are getting 1 comma 3, here we are getting 2 comma 4. So these are the 3 different combinations we are getting. So for C of 0 comma 2, we have to identify the value. So the value what we taken is 2, the size what we taken is 2, so that we can consider 2 values from the given problem statement. So this is the problem statement. From this problem statement we can able to take 2 values. So 0 to 2, so that the first and second position we can able to consider. So 10 and the frequency 4 we are taking, and 20 and frequency 2 we are taking for the 3.1 step. So in the step 3 we identified 3 positions. So first we are identifying for 0 comma 2. When you are taking 0 comma 2, the first and second root positions we are considering. So 10, 20 and frequency 4 2 we are considering. With use of this we are making our graph. So here 10 and 20 we are putting. So we are having 2 values. No, first we are putting 10 as a root node, then we are putting 20 as the root node. So 10 and leaf node is 20. Here we are making 20 as the root node and 10 as the leaf node. Okay, so in this case how we can proceed, we can proceed with the position 1. 10 is come under position 1 and 20 is come under position 2. So 1 will be multiplied with the frequency of 10. What is the frequency of 10? We are having 4. So 4 is the frequency of 10. So 4 into 1 we have to multiply. When you are taking 20, 20 is the second position and the frequency for 20 is 2. So both we are multiplying. So 4 into 1, 2 into 2 we are doing, so that we are getting 8 as answer. So 4 into 1 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 plus 4 we are getting 8 as answer. So for this particular 10 the root is 1. So whatever the root value we are having, that we are writing here. Okay, for 10 the root is 1, that root I am writing here. Coming to this graph, we are keeping 20 as the root node and 10 as the leaf node. In this case, for 20, 1 into 2 we have to do, 1 into 2, and for leaf 2 into 4 we are doing. So 1 into 2 and 2 into 4, this is 2 and this is 8. So 8 plus 2, 10 we are getting. Among these two, the least value is 8, so that we are filling 8 power 1. The root is 1, so 8 power 1 in the place of 0 comma 2 in the table. So in the table 0 comma 2, you can see we are filling 8 power 1. So 0 comma 2, x I value is 0 and j value is 2. We are filling 8 power 1. So 1 is the root value, 8 is the cost what we identified. Okay, so next what we are identifying, first one is over, second one 1 comma 3 we have to identify. C of 1 comma 3. So what is C of 1 comma 3? 20, 30, 2, 6. So here why we are taking 20 and 30? Here 1 comma 2. So until 2 you can take 10 and 20. Here 3 we are having, until 3. The second one until 3 we have. So we have to consider 2 and 3, because we should take third position. second position and third position we can able to consider. So 20, 30, the frequency is 2 and 6 we are considering. So here 20, 30, 2, 6 we are considering. So 20 we will put as a root node first, 30 will be the leaf node. Again it will go ulta, 30 will go as a root node and 20 will come as a leaf node. Okay. So here what we are taking actually in this case 2 into 1 and 6 into 2. 2 into 1 is the frequency, 2 is the frequency and 1 is the first node, and here 2 is the second node, mean by 30 is the second node, we are putting 2 and 6 is the frequency for 30. So while doing this operation we are getting 14 as result. By putting reverse manner 30 as the root node and 20 as the leaf node, we are getting 1 into 6 and 2 into 2. So this first node, this second node, the frequency of 30 is 6 and frequency of 20 is 2. So that we are getting 10. So for 20 the root node is 2, for 30 the root node is 3. So here the least one is 10. So 10 power 3 we are applying for 1 comma 3. In the place of 1 comma 3 in the table, we are applying the least value 10. For the root is 3, 10 power 3 we are putting in the place of 1 comma 3. So when you are seeing 1 comma 3, we are putting 10 power 3. So 1 comma 3, so I value is 1 and j value is 3, we are putting 10 power 3. Okay. Now let's move for the third one. So what is the third one? Here we have to identify for C of 2 comma 4. So first we identified C of 0 comma 2, then C of 1 comma 3 we identified, and now we going to identify C of 2 comma 4, that is said to be step 3.3. So 2 comma 4 what we are doing, we are just taking from the first 4. From the first 4, 2 we have to take, that is last 2 we are taking. Third one and fourth one we are taking. 30, 40, 6, 3 we are taking. So 30, 40, 6, 3 we are taking. Third and fourth one. Okay. So here 30 is the root node, 40 is the leaf node. Here 40 is the root node and 30 is the leaf node. So 30 when we are taking root node, 6 into 1 we are doing. So the 6 what we are having as a frequency, that will be multiplied with the first node, and then the frequency of 40 is 3, that will be multiplied with 2. So this is the first node, this is the second node. So 6 into 1 plus 3 into 2, we are getting 12. The same way 3 into 1 plus 6 into 2, we are getting 15. Okay. So among these two, which is the least? 12 is the least one. So for that the root is 3. For 30 the root is 3. For 40 the root is 4. So 30 the root is 3. So the least is 12. So 12 power 3 we are filling in the place of 2 comma 4. In the table 2 comma 4 we are filling 12 power 3. Let's see the table. We are filling 12 power 3 in the place of 2 comma 4. So this entire diagonal got filled now. 8 power 1, 10 power 3 and 12 power 3. Now we are moving for the next level. This level we have to fill. So 20 power 3 and 16 power 3, how we filled out, that we going to see now. Okay. So now let's move for the next level. Step 3 got over. We are moving for step 4. When we are coming for step 4, we have to check out with a formula, because the reason is we are getting different combinations. Because 3 values we can able to take, because the k value becomes 3. So j and I, when we are getting 3, that combination we are identifying now. When you are putting j value as 3 and I value as 0, we are getting 3. The same way j value is 4 and I value is 1, we are getting 3. So these two combinations will give results to 3. So while writing in the form of I comma j, we are getting 0 comma 3, and I comma j for 4 minus 1, we are writing 1 comma 4. So these are the two combinations we are getting. Now step 4.1, C of 0 comma 3. C of 0 comma 3, what we are getting actually, we are getting the first 3 values in the table we can able to take. So we are taking the first position, second position and third position we are taking. So 10 and the frequency 4, 20 and the frequency 2, 30 and the frequency 6 we are taking. So let's see the problem. The first 3 positions we are taking for step 4. Okay. So in the 3 positions, with use of these three values, we can able to make 5 different combination of charts. So these are the 5 different combination of charts we can able to produce with use of these three values. So it's not possible to solve what we done in the previous step. So what we have to do is we have to go for a formula. Okay. So I will tell you the formula before going to that. The formula is C of ij equal to min of C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus W of ij. W of ij is the sum of entire frequency what you are calculating, and here the k value is what the value we are identifying, no, j minus I is equal to what, that value is the k value. So every time the value will be changed according to the position. So first time it will be 1, second time it will be 2, like that it will be changed. Okay, when we are going to the problem you will understand that properly. Now as of now you just understand how the problem is written, how the formula is written for the problem. So C of ij is equal to min of C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus W of I comma j. So these are the way we can write the formula. Now we going to solve the step 4 with use of this formula. Let's see how the step 4 got solved with use of this formula. So here step 4, the first thing we are taking actually. So what is the first thing? 0 comma 3. So 0 comma 3 we identified as 12. How we identified as 12? The entire frequency we are calculating. So 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12. The frequency for C of 0 comma 3, W of 0 comma 3 is 12. Okay, W of 0 comma 3 when we are identifying, we have to sum the frequency. The frequency is 12 for W of 0 comma 3. So 12 we are calculated. Now we are applying the formula C of 0 comma 3 equal to min of C of I comma k minus 1. So I value is 0 and k minus 1. What is the k value? K value is 1 for this one, and here it is 2 and here it is 3. Okay, how we are taking this k value? K value is the root value. For 10 the root value is 1, for 20 the root value is 2, for 30 the root value is 3. So that value we are considering as k value. When we are calculating for 10 we are keeping the k value as 1. When we are calculating for the next value we are keeping the k value as 2. The third value the k value is 3. Okay, now C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus W of ij. So W of ij is 12. C of I comma k minus 1 is 0 comma 0. C of k is 1 and j value is 3. When you are going for the second position, here we are having C of 0 comma 1 plus C of 2 comma 3 plus 12. So here what we are identifying, I value is 0, j value is k minus 1 is 1, and here k value is 2 and j value is 3. Okay, so whatever the formula, all the three formulas, I value and j value is, I value is 0 and j value is 3. Only the k value will differ. So here it will be 1, here it will be 2, and the third one it will be 3. So here I value is 0, k minus 1 is 2 because the k value is 3. C of k is 3, comma j value is 3 plus 12. So while we are doing the optimization, so C of 0 0 will be 0, C of 1 3 we are getting 10. So C of 1 3 we are retrieving from the table. When you are seeing C of 1 3, the value what we got, that we are retrieving. So C of 1 3 is 10. So this value we are substituting there. Okay, so next to this we are substituting the 12. So 12 will become as it is. While adding all these things we are getting 22. The same way C of 0 comma 1 we are getting 4, C of 2 comma 3 we are getting 6, the 12 will come as it is. So here we are getting 22. For the last one, C of 0 comma 2, C of 3 comma 3, 12 we are getting, 8 plus 0 plus 12 we are getting. So answer we are getting is 20. So this is the minimal one. So 20 power 3 we are substituting in the place of 0, 3. 0, 3 position we are substituting 20 power 3. The root is 3 and 20 is the answer. So that we are substituting in the place of C of 0, 3. So let's see the table. C of 0, 3 what we got is 20 power 3. So 0, 3 we applied 20 power 3. Okay. So next one we are identifying. What is the next one? When we are going for the next one, we are substituting 4 point. As of now, we considered C of 0, 3. Then we going to identify the next one, that is said to be 1, 4. C of 1, 4. So C of 1, 4, what we are doing in the level, C of 1, 4 can be taken as 2, 3 and 4. So discarding the first one, second position, third position and fourth position will be taken because the size is 4. So 2, 3 and 4 we are taking. In this case, 2 for 2 the key value is 20 and the frequency is 2. For 3 the key value is 30 and the frequency is 6. For 4 the key value 40 and frequency is 3. Okay. When you are identifying the W of 1, 4, we are getting 11. So adding all these things, 6 plus 3 plus 2, we are getting 11. So that is the frequency calculation. W of 1, 4, we are getting 11. So 11 has to be substituted in all the 3 places. And we are just calculating the formula. So C of I, j, I value is 1 and j value is 4. And here the frequency, the k value for first time, for the first calculation the k value is 2, second calculation the k value is 3, third calculation the k value is 4. So C of I, k minus 1. So k value is 2 for first time. So k minus 1 we are getting 1 here. So I value is 1, 1, 1 plus C of k, j. So j value is 4 plus 11 we are getting. So 11 is the frequency addition. C of 1, 2 plus C of 3, 4. So C of 1, 2, 2 is the k minus 1 value because the k value is 3. So k, j value is 4 plus 11. The third calculation, here the k value is 4. So that we are getting 1, 3. So I value is 1 and the k minus 1 is 3. C of 4, 4. So k, j. So k value is 4 and j value is 4 plus 11. So W of 1, 4 is 11. So while simplifying this, we are getting C of 1, 1 is 0. C of 2, 4 is 12. 11 we are putting here. Then this one, C of 1, 2 we are getting 2. C of 3, 4 we are getting 3. 11 we are putting here. The third one, C of 1, 3 we are getting 10. C of 4, 4 we are getting 0. 11 we are putting here. Then while identifying the answer 23, 16, 31 we are getting. So in this the least is 16. The least value what we are getting is 16 we are getting. So for 16 the root value, what is the root value for 16? That is 3. So 16 power 3 we have to substitute in the place of 1, 4. In the place of 1, 4 we are substituting 16 power 3 in the table. Let's see the table. 16 power 3 we are substituting in the place of 1, 4. Okay. Now what we are doing next? We are just calculating the last one, that is the final calculation. Let's move for the final calculation. So what is the final calculation? We are just calculating 0, 4. So 0, 4, what is the combinations we will get? When you are putting 0, 4, we are getting all the 4 values we can able to take. So because our size is 4, so that we can able to take all the 4 values, because j minus I we have to identify 4. Only one combination we will get 4, that is said to be 4 minus 0. So j value is 4 and I value is 0, that results 4. So we can able to put C of I, j, that is 0, 4, and all the 4 values we can able to substitute. So 10, 20, 30, 40, the entire problem we can able to take because the size is 4. So when you are taking the entire problem, we are substituting in the formula. So the formula will have 4 different answers. So 4 different answers we will get. So C of 0, 4, equal to min of C of 0 comma 0 plus C of 1 comma 4 plus. So first time is 1, k value is 4. Okay, and adding all this, so C k minus 0, k value here, C plus C of, so k value is 1 and j value is 4. Sum of statement, C of I is 0, 4 plus 15. C of k comma 4 mean by k comma j, that is 3 plus 15 the frequency thing, plus C of I value is 0 and 3 because k is 4, C, so k value is 4 and j value is 4. And while solving this, for 0 comma 0 we are getting 0, 1 comma 4 we are getting 16, 15 we are adding, so this answer we are getting as 31. Second statement we are getting 0 comma 1 is 4, 2 comma 4 is 12 and 15 we are adding here. And third statement 2 we are getting 8. For the fourth statement 0 comma 3 we are getting 20, 4 comma 4 we are getting 0, 15 we are adding. So solving this we are getting 31, 31, 26, 35. Among this the is the, or what is the value for third one is 3, so 26 we have to. Value that we are taking. Now we have to check for this value. We are having greater value 4, that is in the direction of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 we are having 4. Remaining all values are 3. We should not consider taken 1 3. Now the remaining one is 2. So 2 we are taking, when you are taking 2, the position is 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 we are putting in the right hand side of the node. So 3, 1, 4, 2, all these things we consider 0 comma 0 or of these values we have. position value. So position with the position. So 30 will become as 3. So for 3 we are substituting 40, for 2 we are substituting 20, for 1 we are substituting. So with use of this formula we identified everything and we identified the final solution. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Thank you very much.